I am going to watch and react to the best group 1, 2, 3, 4.
Group 1, 2, 3, 4.
The best group 1, 2, 3, 4.
The group 1, 2, 3, 4.
The best group 1, 2, 3, 4.
The best 1, 2, 3, 4.
The best group 1, 2, 3, 4.
The 1, 2, 3, 4.
The best group 1, 2, 3, 4.
The group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The best group 1, 2, 3, 4.
The cool group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The best group 1, 2, 3, 4.
The amazing group 1, 2, 3, 7, 6.
The best group 1, 2, 3, 4.
The chill group 1, 3, 9, 7.
The best group 1, 2, 3, 4.
El majestuoso grupo 3.64.
Get out and never come back!
Check out what I Yo, that's so cool! Wait, how
Gotta
did
do
you
minions.
get your mom to go? I thought you were grounded.
I just told her I wouldn't fail any test this month.
But what she doesn't know
Is I don't have any tests.
I am such a loser. You at least to wash your hand first.
What?
You know, that was really gross on the day. All that finger sucking with the cheese all over it.
Morning, boys.
Hey. Morning. Hey. What you
Any
got
excuse to
there,
hit Kato.
What, you mean this? This? Is it this?
That doesn't sound good. Not at all.
You gotta be kidding me. He's gonna give us a pop quiz.
Yeah, probably.
I gotta get out of this test somehow.
Cheese everywhere. Just everywhere cheese.
I can pretend I'm sick. You already did that like 5 times and it never works.
Oh, that's
Maybe
good.
I can pretend
Oh.
like I broke my leg by slipping in this hallway.
It's hard to pretend that you broke her.
Oh, poor Dory. Oh, no.
Like, do we have to tell you every single time?
That was
Running away from
awful.
problems just makes
She'll
them
remember
running
that,
from
though.
problems.
Please, Derek.
I've been running away from problems since first grade. Look where it's gotten.
That's good audio. Running away from problems since it's free.
Yeah, you've been suspended at least 5 times. You have been grounded at least 5 times. And what's your GPA again?
I don't want to talk about that.
At least one.
Alright, look. I'm running out of time, alright?
Come on, Mikey. There's nothing you can do at this point.
Don't underestimate me, alright?
That bell's a good shit.
Do not turn these over just
Gru.
You're supposed to use a finger, not your finger.
Jeez.
All right, everybody.
Yeah, what?
You here is going to just have to wait 1 second. Keep them down.
Some punk pulled the fire alarm.
Cheese
They
everywhere.
had to evacuate the whole school.
They got the guy who did it.
Last I heard. No, I'd give back.
I got it. Mr. Wilson, can I use the bathroom real quick, please?
Yeah. Okay, Mikey. Just.
Oh, no.
To Papa.
Poor Mikey.
Young man, you need help or something?
Nope, just
Who's
go
that?
into the bathroom.
Okay, well, when you do go, be very careful of the wet floor, okay?
Yes, sir.
One of the toilets overflowed.
Now, watch this again. I think that janitor is pretty sus. What's in his hand? Oh, that's just him. Discuss. Oh, we should discuss what happened. He should have done that. Thank you. Good discussion.
I also didn't get caught.
Woo! Yeah, not yet.
Can I speak to you for a moment?
Yes.
You cut my
What are you talking
line.
about?
The better question is,
What are you think they're talking about? So my dad always says, running away from your problems just makes them running away from your problems.
well, my dad says
That running away from your problems just makes them
the more I see.
His point is to stop pulling more pranks.
That's right. That's right. That wasn't a prank. You're absolutely right. That was a means to an end.
Instead of being full, you guys are making me feel full.
All right, well, we're just waiting for the fire department to finish their rounds.
The fire department's here?
Yeah, they respond to every fire alarm.
Wilson,
This is Captain Stoll. He's going to be meeting everybody today.
It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
I think Mr. Wilson really liked Captain Stoll.
False alarm. It's not the first time this has happened today, so I need to gather some more info. What were you and your class doing right before the alarm went off?
Well, I had just handed everybody some paperwork, and then that's about all I can remember. Hey, you know what? I actually did give Mikey the bathroom.
There you go, Mikey. Have a whole bathroom.
Mikey,
He needs it.
Did you see anything?
Actually, I don't remember.
All right.
It's a nice shot.
Captain Stoll, could you show
Joe.
us what you found so far?
Of course. Follow me.
You too, Mikey.
Me? Why?
I get that look from Rebecca sometimes too.
Yes, actually, I was able to get the camera started right when the fire alarm went off. Here we go.
Oh,
I left Mr. Wilson's classroom.
yeah.
Then I went to Mr. Wilson's classroom.
Oh, look at that.
We have come for your nectar.
Yeah, nice close up. Thank you.
Any prints? Oh, Mikey. How could you do that?
Mikey, you're coming to my office right now.
No, please, I'm sorry.
Mikey, you're coming to my office right now.
Expel him.
Actually gonna come
Arrest him. Oh. Nuke him? Did we all die? Was that the end of the video? Expel him, arrest him, or nuke him? Whoa. Well, that was very funny. I can't wait to see another one. Maybe it needs more Mr. Wilson next time, though, for sure. Less Mikey, more Mr. Wilson. But otherwise, no notes.
Hey, darling. Hey, darling. Hey, darling. Hey, darling. Hey, darling.